A very good morning to all the children of class 4, and I welcome you to your English language class. Today we will be doing with the answers, that is the checking part. I hope you all have done the pages which I have given you in the last video. Okay children, so let's begin. Exercise A and B, that is in page 41 and 42. Write the singular form of the following plural nouns and write the plural of the singular nouns which is there in section A. You will do it yourself. Okay, you just have to see the answers from the column which is there in the book. Now number C and D I have done for you, and these are the answers. You just have to check it whether it's correct with yours or not. If it is not correct, then write down the correct sentence from the answers, okay, given. Here children, two things. We are changing singular and plural of the noun. We are also changing singular and plural of the helping verb. That is from is it becomes was. That is from is it becomes are, and was becomes where, or where becomes was. Okay, and vice versa. For example, in section D number 1, the old men were walking with their sticks. Now the answer will be changing from plural to singular. So men will become man. Since it is man, where will become was, there will become his, and sticks will become stick. So the sentence will be, the old man was walking with his stick. So here are 4 changes in this sentence. Children, you have to keep that in mind, and you have to be very careful when you are changing from singular to plural or the other way, because along with the noun singular and plural, you have to change the helping verb also. Okay, so these are the answers. Please check it for yourself. Children, in page 43 there is a beautiful picture, that is picture of a beautiful birthday party, exciting and very bright. So Miru is celebrating the birthday, and she has thrown a party in the house. The mother and father has helped also. They both were equally excited, and even the friends. So here is a paragraph given about the birthday. You have to just use the words from the help box, change the words to its plural, and you have to write. So use the plural forms of the singular noun given in the helping box to complete the paragraph. Okay. So here are the answers. You have to use the words from the helping box, and you have to do. So please children, see the answers and you put it in your book. Now children, since we don't have time and we had genders in our syllabus, we will be doing gender after the half yearly, but before that, since it is in syllabus, we just have to go through a bit of it so that it's easy for you when you give the exam. Okay, I'll teach you in details after the half yearly. So here are the words, that is genders. What are genders? Gender are the male and the female nouns of the sentence. There are 4 kinds of genders. They are masculine, feminine, common, and neuter. Okay, masculine we all know, used for boys, men, or male person. Female or feminine is used for girls, women, and female person. Okay. Common gender are the words or the nouns that are used for both the male and females. Example, traveler. We call both the boys and the girls as a traveler. Scientist. Men are also scientists, women are also scientists. Teacher. There are male teachers, there are female teachers. Children. There are boys, there are girls. Both we call as children. Okay, so these are called the common gender. Okay. Next is the neuter gender, which is used for things or the non-living beings, that is, which does not grow. For examples, books, pen, pencils, computers, tables. Okay, so these are the neuter gender. Now we have masculine and feminine. We have lot of masculine and feminine words in the book, but you don't have to do anything. You just have to learn this column. So son becomes daughter in feminine, nephew becomes niece, brother becomes sister, uncle becomes aunt, host becomes hostess, actor becomes actress, horse becomes mare, drake becomes duke, bull becomes cow, fox becomes vixen. Okay, these are the only things you have to learn. We have the exercise, we have the rules of gender also, but don't do anything, leave it. Okay, just read this page, what I have given here. Okay, and I hope you can follow the videos, and also equally you can follow whatever I'm giving in Telegram. Okay, so that's all for today, children. I'll give you 2 worksheets in the Telegram, so please, children, if whoever has not joined yet, I request you to join it and get everything from there. Okay, so that's all for today, children. Thank you, and study hard, and all the best for all the exams you will be giving. Relax and give, and most important, please try to give it yourself. Don't take help from your book or from your parents. Okay, thank you everyone, and have a nice day.